Hi there, welcome back to Racing Retro. Now then, so the NC30 is in about 1001 pieces and there's not really enough for a full video. So what we thought we'd do is give you a quick update and tell you about some of the other stuff that we've got going on.
So in this episode, we're going to be having a look at what jobs we have managed to do on the VFR. We're going to have a little talk about the next project, which is the TZR250 that's just landed from Japan. We're going to talk about the Vapour blaster we've bought. We're going to have a little talk about our up and coming series on the Honda C90 Plop Enduro, where we're going to be raffling off a C90 race bike. Finally, with MotoGP fast approaching, why not join our Prediction League, where you're going to have the chance to win some stuff.
Stuff, eh? What stuff?
This stuff. Merch.
Oh, merch.
Proper professional merch.
That no one's going to buy.
That no one's going to buy, so we're just going to have to give it away. Ethically sourced.
Yeah, why not?
Where from?
So.
And also you'll notice that Keith's not with us for this episode because
he's on holiday
in Thailand.
Yes.
What's he doing there, I wonder?
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah, so NC30's in a lot of pieces.
Yes.
What was the last sort of job that you had to do?
One of the last little jobs we've got before this goes away to be cleaning is to take these this top and bottom yoke off. So just a quick reference to the manual on this one to make sure that we're not going to cock it up.
This book makes no sense. Over to the princesses.
Okay, Keith. Are you proper ass, mate? There she goes. Put your back in it, mate. Come on.
Oh,
there we go. Good lad.
There you go.
Nice one. Perfect. Look at the size of this tool.
Right,
So
bending these over, yeah?
just set them out. How many of them have we got?
And, you know what, I can't see them with glasses.
There should be two.
Two of them.
Okay, then it said to lift that lock washer out, bending the other tabs up if necessary. I don't think it'll need that, will it? Is it coming off? And then just inspect that and replace if necessary. If there's any sign of cracks, so we'll have a little look at that when she comes off. There we go.
That looks okay to me.
Look okay. So that can be reused if it's good. Brilliant.
So,
Okay.
so
We should just a little tap with this. I don't think it's going to take much. There she goes.
loose.
Lovely. And that one spins off. There we go.
Was off.
So, hopefully now we lift that up, that yoke should drop out.
She can.
Be mindful of the bearings. There you go. How to on getting yokes out of an NC30. Well done, Keith. So the last job before the swing arm goes off cleaning is get this hub out. So we just had a little look in the manual how to do it. And we'll show you how. So we had to order one of these. We thought 41mm was big. We're now up to 46mm. Truck size tools.
So big.
Throw onto the hub. And all of it is spin that off with that big 46mm socket. There's a washer, two washers off. We use the Honda adjusting tool. And you give that hub a little spin to loosen it off. Sprocket carrier dropped off. And then we use a 17mm socket. To undo that pinch bolt. And then she's slender. And that's the hub out. Easy enough.
Good job done.
Then the last thing we'll do is take this out. This dog burn off. Take this ball and carrier out. That can go away to be cleaned.
Well done.
Really on it. Well, okay, so we've managed to get the frame apart. But what we found is the black marks on it are actually marks, and they're an anodised frame.
Yeah.
And we didn't know this.
Right.
but these black marks are actually marks in the anodizing. So this is not an easier job as we thought to clean up. Had a couple of quotes to get this done, which we were looking into. But with the amount of stuff that we've got to do on it, we did think it might be worthwhile to go and have a look at a Vapour Blaster ourselves. So that's what we did.
Right. So how much was the quote? What did it come back in at? Like,
yeah, so we had a quote for a guy to polish it.
Yeah.
Then we had another quote, which was quite reasonable. If we did all the prep, and they would repaint it. So we looked into that. But with the amount of stuff that we've got to clean and to send off, we thought it might just be better to keep it in-house. So we went up to Leeds and bought a Vapour Blaster.
Nice. And I guess with that, then you could get good at it and offer it as a service.
Well, that's it. Yeah, so we took a few bits up. And this is
you let you trial it?
Yeah, let us trial it, yeah. So this was one of the parts that we'd taken up, one of the hangers. And it's just brilliant. So the idea was, because there's so many parts, when you start sending stuff away, you might lose track. So we thought we'd buy our own and keep it in-house.
Yeah, I guess it's better keep it in-house, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely fantastic bit of kit. So we're going to try it. We bought one that's big enough to take the frame. It's got a window wiper on it. Window wiper. It's got a window wiper.
Window wiper.
It's got a wiper.
It's got a wiper.
So it's got a wiper on it. It's got a light on it. It's a big cabinet. So it'll take this. It'll take the swing arm. We took this with us and we just did a little test piece underneath there. Absolutely fantastic. So that can go in the cabinet. That's due in a couple of weeks. So basically that's why the VFR is now on hold, because until that arrives, there's not much else we can do.
All the frame is all done. So what about the engine then? What was that?
It was quite messy, the engine. So we've stripped it by hand, taken all the paint off, tried to use a bit of nitramorse. That didn't really work. So we've just we've rubbed it down by hand. We've now taken their rocker covers off, head covers, rocker covers, what are they called?
Yeah,
the covers.
rocker covers, aren't they?
Yeah, them, and the cases. And they'll go in the Vapour Blaster machine to be stripped,
Nice, yeah.
and then the whole lot can go away for paint. And the guy that's painting the engine is going to paint the wheels, and the paints, both paint types come from RS Paint, so they'll just go away in one shipment. So really, just at the moment, we are slightly on hold,
right,
while we wait for the Vapour Blaster machine to turn up.
When's that coming then? That would be
first week of March. That's due.
Yeah.
Once
it's sort of back together, we would like to take it out on the road and do a bit of a road test on it and get some nice shots and sounds of it.
Well, I want to race it against the TZR.
Oh, right.
Yeah, definitely. And I think we should take them both on a classic track day.
Nice.
Shit.
No, that'd be cool. It'd be good to see comparison between the two. Then,
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I think the NC30's probably got more power.
TZR's older as well, isn't it? Is that
Yeah,
any different? Well,
no, I don't think so, because it's lighter, and then we're going to have some new exhaust on the TZR, and we'll have that on the dyno and setup, so we should probably get 55 horsepower out of that. This has probably got about 55 horsepower. Yeah. So I think it would be, I would imagine the TZR to be a little bit quicker, but
yeah, well,
looking forward to that.
The thing is, I don't think we've mentioned the TZR yet, so
no, we haven't.
Might be a good opportunity to say what else. I guess it's our next project. So.
Yeah. So bought the TZR from Japan. 3MA, yeah, the reverse cylinder from Japan.
Was that 89? Is it 90?
1990, I think.
Is it
yeah.
Right, okay.
2,700 kilometres on it, so less than 2,000 miles.
Nice.
Not going to be as in depth as this, we don't think.
It doesn't need a lot doing to it.
No,
it's
a lot cleaner.
Tidy,
yeah, it's a lot cleaner. Yeah. So we'll see how we go with that. Just mothballed temporarily while we get this finished. Otherwise, we're just going to have too many boxes of bike bits out.
Get all bike bit mixed up there, wouldn't it?
Head will fall off if we start stripping that. Yeah. So, but that's something to look forward to.
Which one did you prefer? Like, I imagine you had both. Well, you didn't. You had RVFs, didn't you? But what would you take, the two-stroke or a V4?
See, I'm a two-stroke man, really. But the VFR is really nice. But I think for me the TZR. Yeah. I'm going to be pulling the keys out of the hat for that first.
The TZR.
Yeah. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Let us know what you prefer, V4 or two-stroke, in the comments.
Comments.
Yeah, comments below. Don't tell us to
No, don't tell it, because he'll notice there's no music on
Yeah,
this
there's no music. Well, there might be in the beginning.
Well, we take the feedback on board.
Yeah.
You know, and decided to it off.
So, yeah, next up, win a plop.
Win a plop.
Win a plop. What's that then?
Dog food.
Dog food.
We're going to be documenting our progress through the C90 Plop Enduro race series.
Right, yeah.
And we thought, go racing for under a grand, under £1,000 quid.
Sure, you can't.
You can go racing for under £1,000. Yes, you can. You can.
Right,
so
okay.
we're going to buy a C90. We're going to fettle it.
Yeah.
Into race trim.
Right.
And we're going to raffle the bike off.
So we're going to raffle the bike.
£5 a ticket.
Right.
So get your mates.
That's quite reasonable.
Yeah, dead reasonable. It's going to include a race entry. So all you've got to do is turn up on the day with your licence and your mates. And well, not a few beers the day before. But turn up. You're going to turn up on the bike you've won.
Right, nice. Yeah. So we'll drop a link to the Plop Enduro Facebook page in the description below. So check it out. But yeah, stay tuned for that.
Fantastic.
I might enter. Oh, no,
we've got one.
We've got one. Yeah.
And then finally, our MotoGP Prediction League. So I won it last year.
Yeah, you did.
There was only the two of us, but it does show my genius.
Well, yeah.
Well,
there was only me and they in it last time, but we thought it might be quite. Yeah, we thought we might open it up. You know, we've got 500 subscribers now, which we're
more.
What was it?
Nearly 6.
Bloody hell!
I know. So yeah, we thought we'd open it up to everyone.
Yeah, open up, have a bit of a league, and maybe win stuff. So, I mean,
stuff.
Yeah, we might have been getting ahead of ourselves by making merch because we've
got a merch. Have we got a merch shop?
We've got a merch shop.
Where could you find the merch shop?
In the link below. Yeah, so we thought with the MotoGP League, we'll give away some stuff.
Some stuff.
Well,
a jumper, a
hoodie.
Yeah, just one prize.
We'll give away a hoodie, but you can choose which one because we've got several different designs, you see. So
Mick Doohan.
Lucky Kev.
Roughman's. Rain Waney.
Yeah.
Rain Waney. So you'll know where we're going from with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll be able to have the chance to win one of those items.
Yeah, one of those hoodies.
From our shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Sorry it was short. Might not be short.
No,
sorry for rambling on. But stay tuned. We've got lots of exciting things coming up. And what did you say we're releasing these on Tuesdays?
Yeah, we're going to try and release these on Tuesdays, I think.
So yeah, we'll see you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.
No, not yet.
Just starting.
Oh. Are you doing that? No. You are. Oh, hit the bed, we're stuck. Stand clear, babe. 3, 2, 1. Literally. Give us 10 minutes, is that all right?
I want to put the pie in, you see.
Yeah, whack it in, 10 minutes. We're doing all right. Ant's taking 20 takes just to do the first opening. It's not his like.
No, listen.
Yeah.
I'm putting the pie in.
Right.
So I want to eat.
Okay.
I'm going to tip over the edge.
Well, you go and eat then, and
no, because the pie, I don't want to reheat it.
Right.
So tell me how long you're going to.
Well, if you're going to tip over the edge, you're going to have to eat.
Do 15 minutes, Vic.
Can we have 15 minutes?
Right.
Is that all right?
Well, the pie's going to be half an hour.
We'll have half an hour.
Oh yeah, put it in now. That'll be plenty.
Yeah, bang on. Don't tip over the edge.
That's going in.